Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring a simple and practical method to enhance your online privacy by setting up a secure VPN connection using the HTTP Injector app along with a ShadowSocks server. This setup offers a layer of encryption that can help keep your online activities more private and protected. If you're someone who values digital security or simply wants to understand more about VPN technology, this tutorial is for you. We'll go through everything step by step, so even if you're just starting out, you'll be able to follow along easily. Let's begin. Step 1. To get started, we need a working ShadowSocks server. Open your web browser, and in the search bar, type UDP Custom. This will take you to the official UDP Custom website, which provides several server options, including the one we'll be using today, the ShadowSocks server. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. It's a straightforward platform designed for simplicity. Step 2. Next, look for the menu icon in the top corner, often represented by 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called a hamburger icon. Tap on it, then select SSH servers. From the list of options that appears, choose ShadowSocks server. A quick CAPTCHA check will pop up to confirm you're human. Go ahead and complete that. Then click on the button labeled Generate Now. After a few seconds, the site will provide you with your server details. These typically include the server IP address, port, password, and encryption method. Carefully copy all this information. We'll need it for the configuration step in HTTP Injector. Step 3. Now that your ShadowSocks server is ready, the next step is to install the HTTP Injector app. Go to the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for HTTP Injector VPN. Install the app developed by Evozy. This app is widely trusted and regularly updated to ensure better compatibility with different types of connections. Once installed, go ahead and launch the app. Step 4. Inside the HTTP Injector interface, look for the settings icon, typically represented by a small gear in the top corner. Tap on this to open the Advanced Configuration menu. From this menu, scroll down and select the option labeled ShadowSocks. This section is where we will input all the server information that we copied earlier. Step 5. Once you're inside the ShadowSocks section, you'll notice fields for server IP, port, password, and encryption method. Click on each of these one by one and paste in the information from the UDP custom website. Take your time here to ensure everything is entered correctly. Even a small mistake like an extra space or a wrong port could prevent the connection from working properly. After entering the details, tap OK or Save, depending on your device's layout. Step 6. Go back to the main settings menu in HTTP Injector, and now locate the section for choosing your connection protocol. Tap the arrow next to the protocol option, and from the list, select ShadowSocks. Then, for the connection type, choose HTTP OBS. This combination helps establish a more stable and private tunnel for your internet traffic, offering a better balance between speed and security. Step 7. Now that all the details are in place, don't forget to save your configuration. Tap the Save icon, usually found in the top corner, and choose a name for your configuration if prompted. Saving the configuration allows you to easily reconnect in the future without having to re-enter all the details. Step 8. Once everything is saved, return to the home screen of the HTTP Injector app. You should now see the main Connect button. Tap Start to initiate the connection. If everything was entered correctly, you'll soon see a confirmation that your device is connected to the VPN through the ShadowSocks server. From here on, your internet connection will be routed through an encrypted tunnel, adding a significant layer of privacy to your browsing and app usage. Closing notes. Keep in mind that while VPNs like this can offer enhanced privacy and some level of protection from tracking or traffic filtering, they're not a one-stop solution for digital safety. It's important to combine VPN usage with secure browsing habits and always keep your apps updated. If you'd like to explore more privacy tools or advanced server settings, feel free to browse our previous videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep making detailed, educational content for viewers like you. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the setup process, just drop a comment below. I do my best to respond to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.